Hello guys, I hope you quite well. These are t-shirt mock-up pack. You can easily download from the link in the description here. You can download from here, and these are 3 pack, and this first consists of 5 PSD format pack mock-up of t-shirts. Let me give you a quick review. And here this is a shirt. You can just hide the text and your artwork. This one here, you can drag your photo here, just double click, drop your photo here. For example, just in my case, no notes, I will drop this photo here. This is my logo. I just have some issue with my mouse. Wait. Here you can see, just now Control S for save, place, and here it will be placed. You can use your own artwork here, and here there is color, background, this is a shadow, the background scene, so completely customizable. And here are 5 of them, and there are 2 pack, there are all 6. Just open any other one. Here this again, color, background totally same. I know you can do this. Shadow, and drag and drop your artwork here. Such a logo and circle format, it will be appear. So you can download other data from the website GFX graphic material. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.